Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am just going to tell you that how you can easily add an email to your Facebook account. So if you don't want to make any mistake, make sure to watch the full video to the very end and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started without wasting any time, and first of all open up your Facebook and then just go to the menu, and after that click on this gear on the very top to open up settings and privacy. And now here you can see more in account centers. Go to account center and click on personal details and go to the contact information, and here it will show your phone number and your email. Now if you want to add a new one, just simply click on add new contact and click on add email, and then just simply give your email address over there and select the account, this Facebook one, and just click on next, and it will just send you a confirmation code to check that you have an access to that email. So that's how you can easily add an email address to your Facebook account. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below. I will catch you in the next video.